Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to add emojis to iPhone keyboard. But before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment, and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing first, you have to add emoji to your iPhone. Install a new keyboard, which is as easy as selecting the emoji keyboard from the phone setting. So first thing first, you have to open your settings iPhone and then scroll down, tap general, scroll down a bit more and you found keyboard, tap on it, click keyboard. On the keyboard screen, you'll see the language keyboard. You choose at the initial setup of your iPhone as well as the emoji keyboard. But if it is nothing, you have to tap add new keyboard and tap the emoji. This means that emoji are enabled and ready to use. So we'll try it right now. I'm gonna type something, emoji, and you can click that icon and your emoji are ready to use. Well guys, I think that's it, a tutorial from me. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon in the next video and good luck.